I want patients to experience a new version of themselves. If we can get them feeling confident, they're more prone to be more social, they're joking, they're laughing. It's amazing. Hi, my name is Dr. Eva Boldridge, and I'm a prosthodontist and maxillofacial prosthodontist here in Houston, Texas. The name of my practice is my name, Dr. Eva Boldridge DMD, PA. I design most of my cases. I design in the laboratory with my 3D technology to help create something that looks not only aesthetic but natural. I can come up with many different ways to make someone smile better, but if I'm not addressing the patient's core concerns, I'm never going to be able to make them happy. So for a patient experience, you want to take them from where they are, educate them, help direct them, and then get them to a point of health and help them maintain it. My initial evaluation appointment is pretty unique. Most people, when they come, they say, I've never had such an in-depth look at my mouth. I want to take time to think about all the things that I've seen and made notations of before I present a treatment plan to them. It's not a one and done. It's a one, come back, discuss, educate. That's the kind of experience I want to give my patients.